Matin va, Smisha Jason. I've got a story for you today in honor of International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples. This story comes from the Abenaki, a Native American and First Nations tribe that is from New England in the United States, including Maine, where I'm from, as well as Quebec and Atlantic Canada as well. This story is all about maple syrup and how we come to get it these days. So, let's get started. Our main character here is a fellow called Glooskapa. He's this famous figure in a lot of Native American stories. Glooskapa. So his job is to go around town to check on people. Okay? Gleva. So, show Glooskapa. Show Glooskapa. Agus. Chunnaic. Glooskapa. Bala. Chunnaic. Chunnaic, Glooskapa, Bala. Tayin, Gleva, Bala. Chunnaic, Glooskapa, Bala. Chunnaic e Bala. Agus charo na daoine ag obair. So, na daoine show na daoine. Chunnaic é gnró na daoine ann, agus charó iad ag obair. Ag obair. Charó. Charó na daoine ag obair. Charó. Va na daoine ag gíche. Va iad ag gíche. Gíche syrup maple. Gíche syrup maple. Show syrup maple. Sin ceart. Syrup maple. Va na daoine ag gíche. Va na daoine ag gíche syrup maple. Agus va an t-Siorap maple blasta. Syrup maple. Va an t-Siorap maple blasta. Agus charó na daoine ag obair. Charó iad ag obair, or va iad ag gíche syrup maple. Blasta. Agus. Well, Chunnaic, glúscapa na daoine. Chunnaic, glúscapa gnró na daoine egiche, t-Siorap Maple. Charó iad a gopar. Agus, mar sin. So, seo glúscapa. Glúscapa le bucich. So one thing I've found is that having little breaks in your Gaelic input and your listening and your reading is really helpful. Gives your mind a chance to process, let it all settle. So while you're waiting for me to draw, if you're feeling frustrated, I understand. However, it is really useful to your mind. It's letting it sort it all, let it process. Okay. Bucich. Gosh, bucich. Show ushka. Ushka. Right? Water. Ushka. So, charó na daoine a gopar, va na daoine egiche, t-Siorap Maple, agus mar sin. Therefore, chuir glúscapa ushka, ounce, and t-Siorap Maple. So show t-Siorap Maple. Chuir ushka, ounce, and t-Siorap Maple. Ushka. Chuir ushka, ounce, and t-Siorap Maple. Sin ceart. Hi guys. Carson. Whoops, wrong color. Wrong color. Carson. 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 Carson a glúscapa. Carson. Agus, thuairisc glúscapa. Well, ha, siomh, robh, leisg. Ha, siomh, robh, leisg. He's confident, right? Ha, siomh, robh, leisg. Ha, siomh, robh, leisg. Leisg. Chuir ushka, ounce, and t-Siorap Maple, or charó na daoine a gopar, va iad díreach egiche, t-Siorap Maple, agus thuairisc na daoine, Carson na glúscapa. Agus thuairisc glúscapa, ha, siomh, robh, leisg. ha, shiv, ro, leisg. So thanks to glúisceapa, we are much more hardworking. And it takes a lot of work to get just one bottle of maple syrup. Gleva.